Natulog kami buong araw, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Okay, sir. Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala lang.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy po, sir. Ito pong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. So, ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So I guess this mga ano na ito issues, I would call them, would hound me until the dying days of my life.
Okay, so ano to, sir? So they won't really stop.
Again?
So talagang hindi sila titigil, sir?
No, as I remain, mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Pero pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do. And what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow.
Alright.
Yan okay.
Sir, okay, sir, does this bother you, sir? Itong mga naglutangang information na meron ng warrant sa inyo, warrant of arrest?
Alam mo, ma'am, sa totoo lang, I have been in politics for almost nearly 30 years. Been mayor, lahat na klaseng issue. Firstly as vice mayor, then congressman, then as president. Hindi ko naman siya nasabi minamaliit ko. Pagyayabang yan eh. But it's almost an day in, day out, month long, year after year. It's has become an irritation, really. Especially if patanda ka na and you still have to deal with the same questions and issues until now. Pero I take it as part of my political life. Kasi nandiyan ako, I early on nagpasok ako sa gobyerno kasi a prosecutor that verily as early as ilang taon lang pumasok na ako sa politika.
Okay, sir, kung sakaling nga po na meron at kayo ay pasawag po, will you appear?
Again,
If ever na meron na po talaga, kung talagang totoo nga itong warrant of arrest na mga lupusang, kung sakaling meron na talaga, what's your plan po? Will you appear kung sakaling pasawag po kayo, sir?
I would say that not really appear or non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. As a lawyer, gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Okay, sir. So far to say that you have been prepared for this po, Mr. President?
For the longest time. For the longest time since, as far as I can remember, maaga ako nung ilang years early on, so that would be around siguro, put it lightly, mga first 5 years, first or second term. Nandiyan na yan. So, I have learned to deal with the problem directly, frontally, and walang pasikot-sikot.
Alright.
I have been very frank all these years.
Alright. Okay. Sir, aside from disclosure, meron din pong ipinasa niyo sa DOJ na inciting to sedition. Una-una, what's your take on disclosure na kayo po ay napalyan ng ganito, sir?
Is it the sedition na yun?
That's different, sir. Aside from ICC, sir, meron din po, di ba, sir, may pinanin po sa inyo inciting sa DOJ?
Inciting to sedition? Wala akong alam yan. Ngayon daw. Alam ko na may plano na idinanda ako, pero specific sa ngayon ko lang nalaman. Yung sa ICC, matagal na yun, whatever course it might turn to, I'm ready for it. Kasi dumaan ako sa trabaho ko, ma'am, as an appointed elected official of the Republic. I do not there are no excuses to give. I offer no apology. I did what I did because to continue, I said I did what I had to do kasi trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Whether or not it would run me down or push me up, it's too early and it was history to make the accurate count. I do not want to judge myself, except that I answer the problem, the questions, whenever it crops up.
Alright. Okay, sir, amidst all these, issues about your, the arrest warrant po ng ICC, pinag-uusapan din mo ngayon, syempre, yung impeachment po ni VP. Is it true that are you really going to join his defense panel, Mr. President? In her, defense counsel po, in her defense team.
Yes.
Still join, sir?
Yes.
Do you want the defense, the lead counsel anymore, sir?
Well, I will deal with the multiple problems as they come along, and there will be a lot of them. But the basic issues are going the same.
Alright. Sino nakapag-usap na po kayo ni VP?
She was beside me a few minutes ago, after dinner.
Alright, it's good to hear you have here together. Sir, ano pong pinayo niyo sa kanya, sir? First Eddie po.
Na pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon at tumakbo ka ng presidente at continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am. Ngayon na lang, of late, because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem paulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sundin mo na and for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang patuloy ng sumagot. At kung presidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko at okay ka. Huwag mo matakot, sabi ko, makulong ka.
So, did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Ano particularly, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha ko ni Bibi Sara para makikoi talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin papayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyan salita mo, sir, kaya sir,
Tama yan.
napag-usapan niyo ba yung Bibi ako sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniwala yung bahay na ng payo. At saka, hindi naman interesado yan kung ma-impeach talaga siya o impeachment proceeding. The trial itself, we should worry a bit. I don't know, but makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond, as always she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life, a new beginning. Ganon yan siya. So, pagka ganun usap po tao, hindi mo mabigyan ng tayo. What for? Hindi yan makikinig.
Okay. Sir, what made you change your heart? Kasi alam namin ang una, lagi niyo pong dinidiscourage si Ma'am Inday na huwag talaga tatakbo kasi you've been there. Alam niyo, ayaw niyo siya makirapan. What made you change your heart and mind and now you're convincing your daughter to run for president? Why did you change your heart po?
Para yung she truly loves her country. Dapat gawin niya, dapat niya gawin. At this time, at this point in time, when paalis na ako at patanda na. At maybe soon, so sooner than expected, I will make my exit as a politician.
And then how did she respond or what was her reply to the user?
I think si Inday has become a political animal. Kasi lolo niya kasi for the longest time, governor of Davao Province yung isa pa. Parang pumasok na sa subconscious level niya yung politika.